Hi, welcome back to another tutorial on how to with the Campedia app. And in this tutorial, we are going to look at the trips and just creating a trip. So if we click on the bottom down here, we can see the trips button. And then we're going to click the orange create new trip. So let's click on that. So let's create a trip name and let's just call it, let's go exploring Harvey Bay, and let's just set the dates, a couple of days. And now our starting destination, that can either be a suburb or a place, and let's just say we're staying at the Harvey, if I can spell it, Harvey Bay Caravan. Here's Harvey Bay Caravan Park, and create trip. It's that simple. Once you know your dates, what you want to call it, and we click OK. It takes us to this page. Now from this page, we've got our map search, trip itinerary, we can create a checklist, and yes, we can even invite guests to view this itinerary or this trip that you're putting together. There's no time limit on the trip, so you can actually set it for 3 days, you can set it for 30 days, as much information as you want to put into this trip. So guys, that's how you create a trip. In the next video, we'll go into having a look at map search and what some of the other icons are. Cheers.